All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Wednesday adjective. So interest. Something you want to know more about. It is an interesting idea. I have an interesting hat. Oh, very interesting. Okay. Do you like those interesting plans? Let's learn more about them. What are the cats interested in? Ooh, what is so interesting? What is so interesting? What is so interesting about the new book? I don't know. Yeah. We had a lot of interest in buying it, but not anymore. I don't think his inventions were interesting. No, that was not interesting. It was rather boring. Oh, boring. We will have an interesting company soon. Yes. I need to think about how to have an interesting book. The story has to be interesting so people care about it. Yes. It has to grab their attention and be interesting. Otherwise, it'll be boring. Yeah. But what are these cats interested in? Yeah, well, what's over here? Yeah, what are they interested in? So, language explorers, can you use interest in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.